A shocking murder case has surfaced from Devar Hipparagi in Vijayapura district, where a woman was allegedly killed by her husband and buried in the courtyard of their home. The crime came into light 24 days later. The victim has been identified as Sarojini Ratnakar, aged 45. Police have arrested her husband, Prabhu Ratnakar, in connection with the case. According to police, the couple often quarreled over financial issues and mounting debts. Investigators say the murder took place on January 24th following a heated argument. The accused later lodged a missing complaint on February 2nd, but police grew suspicious during the probe. On questioning, he allegedly confessed. Superintendent of Police Lakshman Nimbaragi said financial stress and marital discord were the key motives. A case has been registered based on a complaint by the victim's mother, and further investigation is underway.